Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we have Logan.
Hello.
And Tanya, she's going to be helping me out today.
Hello.
And so what I've got here is my firewood processor that I built. It's temped together at best. I mean, it's stacked up on wood pallets. You can see the tie downs going around the trees. I am trying this to see how well this will work out. And if it works well, then I'm going to go ahead and build a permanent structure for it. So the way that this works is you can see this blue cable here. That goes to a winch that I have anchored to a tree over here. I made a big T here out of unistrut. I have tons of this stuff laying around just as scrap. So this goes up through a snatch block and then comes over here, and I've got a twisted clevis here on my little unistrut structure. It's wobbly side to side just because of the way these boards are anchored, but it's not going to go that way. And then this goes down here and goes into a big claw here. And then I've got this guy kind of roped off to the tree. This is, we'll call it a safety strap. So if that comes out, it will only go to right here. The person cutting is not in any kind of danger. So we're going to check this out and see how it goes. Down one to where it's one, it's circle now, go to one line, then pull it. it.